Hey everyone, welcome to our quick Kubernetes monitoring guide. I'm going to show you how to get key metrics and logs from your cluster, all in under 2 minutes. Let's jump right in. Why is monitoring so critical? Without visibility into CPU, memory, and log output, you can't spot bottlenecks or failures early. Proper metrics help you scale, while logs reveal what's happening inside each pod. First, let's install the metrics server. This add-on aggregates CPU and memory data from each node and pod, making it available to kubectl. Run the apply command shown, and give it a minute to start collecting data. Now that metrics server is running, you can see live stats. The kubectl top nodes command shows each node's CPU and memory, while kubectl top pods all namespaces lists every pod's usage. This helps you spot hotspots instantly. Logging is the next piece. Use kubectl logs with the pod name and namespace to pull its output. If the pod runs multiple containers, add C followed by the container name. Remember, logs are transient, so consider exporting them for long-term analysis. That's a wrap. You've installed metrics server, viewed node and pod metrics, and retrieved pod logs. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for deeper dives into Prometheus, Grafana, and centralized logging solutions. Thanks for watching.